Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I have a challenge lock. This challenge lock is Dirty Fun by Potti314, made on March 4th of 2016. I'm not sure the brand, but that's what it looks like. I'm not sure. It's got like it's a good keyway. I mean, not sure exactly what brand it is, but the key says Silica, Italy, so maybe it's a Silica. But nevertheless, here's the bitting. Pretty good bitting. And let me grab my vise and see if we can't get this thing picked. The key does hang up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it. There we go, and put it in the vise, and make sure it still operates in the vise. Okay, yep, smooth. And it is locked up. Okay, I'm gonna go bottom of the keyway with this Z-type wrench, and I got a few picks that I might use, but I'm gonna start out with the Peterson 18,000ths number 7. Alright, let me zoom in on the lock, and we'll get to picking. Okay. Well, alright. Just gonna slide this in the bottom there. Alright. And like always, I'm gonna start in the back and work my way forward. Okay, number 5 gave us a small false set. I think I set 4, and it got a little deeper. Let's see here. And let's see. There's 5 again, and a little deeper false set. Okay. Oh, even deeper on 4. And let's see what the binder is here. I think okay. Wow, touched 3 and got a little deeper. And oh, touched 4 and got a little deeper false set. This is a good lock. It's giving a lot of feedback. Okay, set 4. Oh, I broke my pick. Well, crap. Okay, well, shit. There we are. Alright, well, that's a broken pick. That happens from time to time. And so we'll just get another pick. I'm gonna go with the 15,000ths medium hook from the Praxis kit. Okay, now. Okay, set 4. Okay, got our false set back. Well, that's really deep false set. 1 is binding. Oh wow, That is a really deep. Look how deep that faucet is. That's crazy. Okay, so we're close. Okay, I'm gonna switch picks to my Sparrows divorced hybrid or hybrid pick. I'm not sure if that's real counter or if I'm just causing that with. Oh, and we're open on 3. Alright. Let me zoom out here. Alright. Now, take this thing out of the vise. Get rid of the vise. And, as you can see, it is picked. Okay, let me get my pinning tray. Sucks that I broke that pick, but I guess it was gonna happen eventually. That's an older pick, so. But good thing about Peterson is they give you 50% on a new pick, so you only have to pay half the price. Okay, got the tailpiece off, and I'm gonna grab a shim. Let's see, shim. There we go. Stick this shim in. And with my Keydex follower, I'm just gonna push it on out. There we go. Okay, let me, there we go. Whoop. And, I'll show the pins up close, when I get it fully gutted. But, 1 is a spool, 2 is a standard, 3 is a standard, 4 is a bomb style spool, mushroom type, and another mushroom type spool. We'll go ahead and take a look at the core and see. Come on, baby. Well, if I could stop that shaking. Okay, and as you can see, every chamber is threaded. Yeah. Alright. Let's see, stick this. Well, that ain't gonna fit, so just lay it right there. Alright. Let's see what's in the Bible. Okay. Now, number 1. Oh wow, it's one of those Dom spools with the floating wafers inside. Wow, those are rare, but it's definitely a Dom pin. Really nice. And a steel spring. Okay, number 2, we have a spool. And the same spring. Number 3, we have another, well, actually, whoa, that's got a wafer. Huh. I'll just have to show you this. I've never seen anything like this. Something new to me. There's that wafer. It's not a pen and pen, but it's like, I'm not sure really. I'll just have to show you and let you see what it is. Okay, number 4, oh, same spring though. And in number 4, we have a spool, deep spool with sharp lip. And looks like the same spring. Yeah, it's the same. They actually look kind of like bronze, but I've never heard of a bronze spring. And last but not least, number 5 went flying. Hold on one second. There we are. And it is a like a gin bottle spool from like an old Assa, and the same spring. Okay, let's see what's modified up in the Bible here. And we have no modifications to the Bible. Okay, let's take a look at these pens. Alright, and let me get a little focus going. There we are. Okay, and go for the drivers. We've got a mushroom type spool, standard in 2, standard in 3, another mushroom type spool, and another mushroom type spool with a fatter lip, and then 4's got a thin lip. And in number 1, we have a Dom pen, and as you can see, as you can see, it's got the shit. Okay, get a better grip on it. Okay, and as you can see, it's got these floating wafers. And this is definitely a Dom pen, because I can't see where anybody is wrapped around a wafer. So, wow, that's awesome. And number 2, we have a I guess you could call it a gin bottle type spool. And number 3 I've never seen. It's like a spool, but it's got this sharp point. See right there? And then this wafer was on top with that point sticking in that little hole, and the spring was on top. I've never seen that. That's an awesome pen. And number 4, we got a deep spool with sharp lip. And then number 5, we've got another one of those gin bottle type, like the old Assas, and all the same bronze type springs. That's very awesome. Party for that number 3. Well, if you guys liked the video, found it helpful and entertaining, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of me, subscribe for more. Until then, everybody, be safe. Keep on picking. I figured I did not show the key in and working, so we are going to show it now. And, hopefully get some focus. Come on. There we go. It's not wanting to focus. Let's see. Okay, now you can see that all pins are in and working. Alright, that's all. Thank you.